Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Hawaii. It's been windy all this week and I could only go fishing on Monday and Friday. Only 2 days, all through the week. So as usual, today I'm targeting red snapper with Nana, my fishing partner. Okay, let's get started. So the water condition offshore much worse than I expected. There are white caps all over the place. The wind actually going about 10 meters per second, but this is still calmer than usual in winter. So here's the first spot for today. The water depth is around 30 meters and there seems a lot of bait here. I got a first hit on my first drift. It's a good start. It's tagging downwards. Definitely a good sized red snapper. Alright, it's decent size. About 45 centimeters. As for the fishing rig I'm using is called Takajikake. It's type of sabiki that has 10 meters and 5 branches. And the hit branch was orange, an orange vinyl piece. So I switched all the branches of sabiki to these orange pieces. Here's another round. Now it's good current is coming through, so I have to keep tracing the same line as long as snappers are going active. Here's another decent sized snapper. So after catching 3 decent red snapper and 1 yellowtail, the wind started picking up, so I called it a day. Now I'm giving ikejime to all the fish I caught today. Brain them, gill them, and bleed them, then break their nerves and cool them down in ice water so that you can keep the freshness of fish ultimately. Okay, so I'm gonna cook something using this red snapper that I caught today. Okay, salt it. You dehydrate the fish. I'm gonna smoke it and grill it. Just leave it for a while. Okay, it's time to smoke the head. Yeah, smoke it done. Now grill it in an oven for 5 minutes. And next I'm gonna marinate sashimi. Soy sauce, mirin, sake, same amount, sesame oil. Okay, let's fillet the fish. Then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. And I like to use this skin too. Clean up. You know, as for decent sized snapper, skins are delicious too. I'm gonna show you how to cook it. Okay. Boil water. And cool it down with ice water. Then dry it. A little bit of salt and sesame oil. Believe me, it tastes gorgeous. It's got really good texture. 푸른푸른해. And I'm gonna use the other half too. Now I'm up to making dashi. Dashi soup for Thai char skin. While I'm torching it, it already smells nice. Just a little bit of salt and sake. That's it. Dashi soup is done. Okay, separate the rib cage. And these are for tempura. This is sashimi. And I'm gonna make batter for tempura. Egg. Okay. Flour. I usually don't scale it when I cook. Probably this much. So I always put ice cube in it and water. If the batter is cold, tempura will become crispy. Not too thick, not too smooth. Okay, put it in the fridge. Shrimp for tempura. Cut. Score it. So enjoy this tempura with matcha salt. And the grilled head is done. Okay, here's today's menu. Thai chazuke, Thai no tempura, sashimi, the root vegetable, and Thai head grill.
いただきます。
いただきます。卵かけタイご飯。うほー。